Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the transfer case all-wheel drive, also known as 4x4 fuse on Chevy Equinox, that generation here that you see from year 2010 to year 2017. We'll talk about that. Also, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, guys, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will, guys, put that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So that fuse that controls the transfer case all-wheel drive 4x4, come guys, we'll show you where you can find it on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners will not know that they will have some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you guys a lot of money. And what we need to do, open the hood. Facing the engine here now on the right side, that's the driver's side, you see you have the brake fluid reservoir here on the right side of it. You have a fuse box. Here you have a tap with kind of like two clips that you push together towards each other, and one on this side. Lift that cover up and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And the fuse, guys, that we need to actually check is one fuse, then we'll talk about the relay. Make sure you stay until the end as well. But the fuse specifically, guys, okay, that we need to check is fuse number 48. Do you see that 15 amp fuse? Okay, that's the one, guys, okay, that we will need to check. We don't have any relays right there, guys, but practically that's known as a relay fuse. But if you still have problems with the all-wheel drive, we recommend to check fuses, relays for the chassis control module. We'll have that video on our YouTube channel, and the BCM, the body control module. Check these fuses, relays, because it can cause your all-wheel drive not to work as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.